Welcome to the second lecture. Now that you are learning Maya, it is the right time to have a discussion on the production workflow and have some industry insights regarding what sort of tool sets you should be equipped with to enter the industry. Although Maya is one of the most essential and powerful 3D application trending in the industry worldwide. However, if you want to become a pro 3D artist and you want to make it to your dream job, or sometimes just having a better chance of getting selected, then you must gain wide exposure to the culture you are stepping into. You should be well equipped by the time you graduate. As I have already mentioned in my first video lecture, that studios use multiple packages depending upon the project. We have specialized packages that are developed specifically for modeling and sculpting, for texturing, to create clothes, to build environment, particle simulation, crowd simulation, different rendering engines, different game engines, etc. Not that Maya's competency is questionable. One can achieve all of these only by using Maya. It's just that every package comes with its unique features and workflow. The use of multiple packages for particular crafts has contributed tremendously in increasing the work efficiency and enhancing the production quality. Those who are planning to pursue game design as a career, you may have to learn a couple of game development programs. Don't get confused by the term game design and game development. As a game designer, you are responsible for the designs and layout of the game, creating the props and assets. Whereas game development deals with the programming and scripting part. Similarly, if you are stepping into AR, VR, or match moving, that is camera tracking, or motion capture, or visual effects, then again you will have to use a different set of tools. All these might sound overwhelming at the beginning. It will take some time to develop a firm grip upon these various platforms. So let me introduce some of the most commonly used popular programs by the studios worldwide. Let's begin with 3ds Max, another powerful 3D package which is quite popular in the industry. So is it better than Maya? Both have their strengths, and depending on how you want to use the programs, it might be smart to choose one over the other. Let's say you are an amazing 3D modeler looking for a job, but the company you apply to uses 3ds Max. If your work speaks for itself, you will be recruited and trained in 3ds Max. Skills always comes first among recruiters. So moving on to Cinema 4D, another 3D package that helps you to create stunning 3D graphics. Then we have ZBrush. It's a 3D sculpting application, again very popular in the industry, empowers artists with greater sculpting flexibility. Substance Painter, an industry leading 3D painting software where you can paint textures on models in real time. It was originally developed for the game and the film industry. Next is Mari, definitely on the list. Another industry leading digital 3D painting software. It was developed during and for the production of Avatar movie. Quite competitive. We also have Marvelous Designer on the list. It is an application developed specifically to design clothes and fabrics. You can import your 3D model, dress them up, and take them back to ZBrush for further sculpting. Let's talk a little about rendering engines. Arnold. This is where the magic happens. This is where you can see the final output of your models, textures, lights, environments, and Arnold is one of the industry trending realistic rendering engine. Another one I recommend is Vray. Although it is referred to be an architectural rendering engine, it is also widely used by the film and the gaming industry for its realistic rendering capabilities. There are more like iRay, Keyshot, Renderman, etc., and each of them offers a unique rendering solution. Then we have Unity and Unreal, two of the most popular examples of game engines. If you are working with a company, they probably have the license of the applications they use. But if you are a freelancer or working on your independent project, which you plan to sell in the future, buying a license for the mentioned applications is going to cost a fortune. So next on my list is Blender. a free and open source 3D package. I consider it to be an animator's survival kit. The Blender community is trying its best to enhance Blender's features to fit in the competitive market. Very appreciable. That is all for the moment. If you want more information on the applications, check on their websites. Also, I will be posting showreel links to the mentioned applications on the blog. I want you to watch them and experience the magic of 3D yourself. So, see you in the next lecture then.